Windows OBS users, you're getting that starting the output failed error whenever you hit the record button in OBS. Here's what you have to do to try to get rid of that. And I'll show you right here, right now on the Ujamaa network. As with most things in Windows, you have to keep up on your drivers and devices. It's going to tell you in the error message exactly what's going on, especially if you're using an AMD processor or an NVIDIA product. From time to time, NVIDIA and OBS kind of butt heads, and they need fresh drivers to comply with all the updates that's going on with OBS. Now, you can do that simply by clicking on the following steps, and you'll get there really quick. First thing you want to do is right click on your start button and then click on system, and that'll give you your starting point for where you're going to do. Go ahead and click on Windows Update, and that'll be just where you begin. You just go ahead and check for updates. The NVIDIA driver that you're looking for is going to be the one that's going to correct the problem, but you may have a bunch of other updates within Windows that have to be updated before you get that done. Make sure you're going through your steps and keeping your options turned on so that they auto download. Sometimes that can be a hassle, but it is definitely needed in this day and age. Updating your drivers is essential whenever you're dealing with any computer program. And OBS is one of those software packages that if you just follow those instructions and do what it says, give it what it needs, it won't fail you.